What's good, everybody? I'm Blitz5, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to quickly set up your external hard drive for the Xbox One. I watched a couple videos while I was setting mine up, and I determined that they were a little bit too long, kind of rambled on, so I'm going to make this one very quick and to the point. So once you purchase your external hard drive, you can have a regular one or an SSD. Try plugging this into your Xbox. This is the message that you should receive here. It says use for media or for games and apps. If you don't receive this message, I didn't at first, try replugging it back in, try a different USB port, try turning your console on and off, all of the obvious troubleshooting things, and hopefully it will turn back on. If not, then you have a bigger problem. So once you see this message, you're going to have to click on Format Storage Device, and just be aware that once you do this, this is going to eliminate any content that's on the external hard drive. So make sure that this is a brand new one, or that the one you're using has no content on it currently. And then once you select that, you're going to be able to name your hard drive. I just made it Xbox External. There wasn't enough room for spaces, but it still worked. And then it prompts you, it asks you whether you or not you want to install new things here or keep the current location. If you keep the current location, it's going to default to the console. And because even though I have a small SSD here, I only bought a 256 gig, I want my newest game to be installed on the SSD because that's what I'm going to be playing the most. Usually you play your newest game the most. So I'm going to install new things here, and then if I want to move it or delete it, I can do that after the fact. It's pretty quick to move things back and forth from the SSD and the console because of the direct connection. So once we do that, we can go ahead and format the storage device. You click on that, it's going to format it. It will let you know when it's ready, and then when it's ready, you can click on My Games and Apps, and this is when you can start to move over any games that you want onto the SSD. So you go over here. I did this really for PUBG, so this is the first one that I'm doing. You go over, you select the game that you want to move. Now you're going to have a new option. You go to Manage Game and Add-ons. This will pop up this screen, and you have an option now for Move All. So you go up and click on Move All. You want to do this in case there's any DLC or add-ons or saves, and you just select that. And then, like I said, this is a lot quicker because this is a direct connection. You're not kind of using your internet connection on this, just going straight to the SSD. So this loaded fairly quickly, although it was only like a 14 gigabyte update here, or only 14 gigabyte game because PUBG is only online. And that's pretty much it. So if you were just here for that tutorial, that's all you have to do. Plug it in, format it, and then move your games over in the games and app section to the SSD that you want. And hopefully you guys got an SSD because that's really the best. They're just a little expensive, and that's why I went for the smaller capacity at 256. I just figured I could delete it when I need a new game and go from there. It's fine. I'm used to dealing with a 300 gigabyte old hard drive on the OG Xbox One. So that's it. If you were a subscriber or watched my other videos, this is kind of me announcing that I got the SSD hard drive, which is pretty awesome. A lot of people in stream were asking me to get this and hook it up for PUBG. So I finally have it. I got the Xbox One X now. So I'm really, really pleased and happy with my setup, and I really want to thank you guys. Again, I've been sending out a lot of thank you messages, but I really appreciate all the support. I guess the only thing I need next is a 4K monitor, but I think I'm going to be holding off on that for a little while. Those things seem to be a little expensive, and I don't think I really need it right now. I can't capture content in 4K, so I'm pretty pleased with the current setup and how everything looks. Everything is looking great. The graphics are awesome. Loading times, everything is working out great. I haven't had any issues yet with the Xbox One X, so I'm very, very happy with that. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Really just a quick tutorial for everybody out there, but here we have it. I got the SSD, so thank you all for watching. I'm Blitz5, and peace out.